Morning guys, so the last few days I've been busy spraying and sanding and everything, the turbo bumper ready to put onto my Carrera 2. So this morning I've got my nephew coming round to give me a hand because I can do it myself, but it'd be quicker if he helps me and he can get to all the fiddly little bits. So yeah, I'm going to put a jumper on and we're going to get out there and get cracking. So guys, what do you think? It's looking pretty good. We've just got a couple more bolts to go, and then I'm just going to clean the back of the wheels and make the wheels look really nice on the backs, because they don't really come off very often. They get brake dust on them, and then they'll look really good from all angles, and then put the wheels back on and we'll be good to go.